Flexfab's consistent investment into advanced development processes is setting us apart as a world technology leader. 3D printing is no longer an emerging technology. It's how prototyping is done in many industries. Beyond relying on drawings and rendering images on a computer screen, you can quickly fabricate a model of anything you can envision and hold in your hands. These prototypes highlight design flaws and prevent product failures from reaching the market. It has changed the way prototyping and manufacturing are done. Our 3D printing capabilities allow us to create prototypes in a fraction of the time and cost of previous methods, so products get to market faster and defects approach 0%. This is just one of the reasons Flexfab is the global leader in the manufacture of high-performance and advanced polymer products. Visit flexfab.com now to learn more.